Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Manon and you're watching Made of Pores. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm so excited that you're joining me today because we have a really special guest today. I've got Marshall here. We're doing May the 4th Be With You collab, and we actually live, what?
30 minutes
from each other, and we're like, let's have a real collab. Let's get together. Let's do this. And we did. We actually did. It actually happened. And that's...
I'm here.
Yeah.
Her.
Here at my house. Yeah. Or the studio. Yeah.
In her studio.
In my studio. We are doing the May the 4th collab today with a bunch of amazing artists, which I am going to go ahead and put in the description for you to check out, along with their times and probably a link to a playlist to be able to check everybody's video out. But I'm not going to go over it right now because we just want to get to painting. We're going to be doing open cup galaxy pours. We're going to be using the same colors, and you're kind of going to get to see how two paintings can turn, using the same technique with the same colors, are going to turn out totally different. And we don't know what those differences are going to be yet, but we're going to figure it out.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty cool. And then we're going to trade. I'm going to keep Kelly's painting here, and she is going to transport my painting home magically. I actually haven't been over there. I'm thinking it could work. And I'm going to... What am I going to do?
You're going to embellish.
I'm going to embellish it. I'm going to embellish hers, and she's going to embellish mine. We don't really know what those embellishments are going to be yet. It's going to be another surprise. So the first part of this experience is going to be the painting, and it's going to be here on my channel. And the second video is going to be the embellishing, and it's going to be on Kelly's channel. So we're going to be right back to back, right?
Back to back.
So we're back to back on premiere day, but if you're not here on premiere day and just happen to be watching this video, she will be linked in the description below for part 2. So be sure to check it out, okay?
Let's go. I'm so excited.
All right, let's go.
Look at this paint spray. Isn't it beautiful?
And that's going to be our background today. Instead of black,
pretty.
we're going to do Payne's Gray.
Right, you do the honors, Missy.
Right. So we have this Payne's Gray, and then we have a bunch of extreme sheens mixed up.
Yeah.
So let's see.
I've
got silver here, aquamarine, I've got garnet.
all these deco art beauties. Yeah. Ooh, there we go.
It's Artist Loft metallic copper as well.
Ready.
So we've got
Emma.
Decided we're going
shiny. That is such a pretty color.
I'm just going to start with one. You're going to start with the
garnet? I'm going to start with the garnet.
I think I'm going to start with a little twinkle here.
To start with garnet in this little guy. And then I will move on. Do some amethyst.
Do sapphire. The sapphire and Payne's Gray are similar, but not same. I want to see if they show up against each other.
Exactly. Sapphire's got like a little bit brighter blue color.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Isn't this funny? I mean, we're going to have like two paintings with the same colors. It's pretty fun.
Well, I think this is going to be great also to sort of show how you never can duplicate a painting.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? Like,
yes.
It just, you can use...
My sister saw a vase one time that I painted, and she's like, oh my gosh, can you paint one of those for me? I'm like, well, I could paint something similar.
Yeah. I can't paint
it the way it is, but I can give you something similar to that. Do you want to add any black?
You can.
Do you think?
I don't want to add any black in here just because I don't want it to be...
I love this already. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
It's amazing.
That's beautiful.
So
see, and I'm not getting any of those reactions. But let's see. I'm gonna layer something similar the way you did.
I'm just too. This one's actually different than the first one. I'm doing a little bit different in both so that I get a different look and reaction.
That's a good idea. That eventually, like,
this I love.
I love that
this
too.
One, not as much.
I'm excited that I get to embellish yours. I'm sure some of my gold will come out of here once I
oh, I'm sure.
keep going. But
It's all gonna be beautiful.
Out. Just because I think it looks pretty.
I do too, but I'm really not gonna touch this one. At this part anyway.
I think that's why. I just want to see more gold. So I'm gonna just take the gold and put a little more in.
You shall.
I'm like, I want to see some gold, so I'm gonna put some more gold. Yeah. What is happening in here? Oh, some things are popping up. Okay. Ooh, this one.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what I'm talking about over there.
There it is. There it is.
Okay. I might need to put another cup in this after I stretch it out the first time. We will see. You have like 2 perfect galaxies. I have like... I have a nice background, and I'm going to do something else.
Somewhat perfect right now. It will not be in a moment. Believe me.
I'm going to stretch this out, see what I get, and I'm probably going to add another cup. Although, ooh.
Oh, that's really pretty.
I got a nebula going on in there. Stretch it out that way.
I got some ideas already for what we're going to do to that bad boy.
There's elements in here that I love, and I'm kind of like in love with this side of the painting.
It's beautiful.
And then this side I'm like feeling less than excited about. So,
I think because that side's got a lot more of the gold and the blues in it, and this one's got that big strip of red
that I'm gonna try to get rid of that strip of red right now.
with them.
So I'm loving the gold, the turquoise.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lock this down, my beautiful red road here. Just see what happens.
It's gonna be cool. I love this curve here, this whole middle section with this purple and turquoise together.
Okay. There, look, I got a few up here.
Oh yeah. And now you don't have to move the paint so much because you've got your canvases covered. I like that it kind of trails off that way, you know.
Thinking right now, I'm just looking at it as far as like composition goes, right? Like I'm like, okay, I like here and I like here, but I think it needs to flow together just a little bit more. Don't stretch this out too much.
It looks really pretty.
I don't want to let that be a thing. Like I just sort of want it. I want it to look like it. Ooh, I kind of did it. See how look? It almost looks like this piece and this, like they're kind of talking to each other.
Yeah, it does actually. Yeah, I will do a little. I think I'll do a little baby cut there.
Nice. So, okay, so for the collab, you know, it's a May the 4th Be With You collab. So we are going to be embellishing with something Star Wars themed. But we don't know what that is yet. Neither of us are set in stone on what we're going to be embellishing.
No. But we both got chosen to be on the dark side.
Yes.
So we're
Team Dark Side over here.
Team Dark Side.
Clearly, we're diabolical.
We are. Watch out for us. We're crazy.
All right, we're done. We are about to show you some close-ups of these. We are going to bring you both down for a close-up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Helps out so much with the algorithm. If you enjoy watching acrylic paint pouring videos, well, consider hitting that subscribe button. And be sure to go over to Kelly's channel and hit the subscribe button over there as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You know I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. But don't go away yet because we are going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay, bye.